How to determine if the variable is a function in Python. Since functions are values in Python, how do I determine if the variable is a function? For example, here hypothetical question mark is underscore var underscore function x, question mark should return true if x is a callable function, and false if it is not.
There is a callable function in Python.
Use callable BODA to determine whether BODA is callable or not. Callable means here being a function, method, or even a class. But since you want to distinguish only between variables and functions, it should work nicely. Your code would then look like
that will check if it's a function. Callable will check if it's callable, that is, it has an underscore underscore call underscore underscore method, so it will return true on a class as well as a function or method.
You may use inspect.as function object. See docs.python.org. That said, you should avoid using this technique in your day-to-day code. Sometimes you actually need to use reflection. For example, an MVC framework might need to load a class and inspect its members. But usually you should return /pass/deal with objects that have the same interface. For example, do not return an object that may be an integer or a function. Always return the same type of object so your code can be consistent.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.